people are still inside the building. That's good. This thing's happened.
They're trying to turn it to me. Yeah, I'm like, is this just my room or what? Because I was awake. I was awake. I woke up and I thought, what time is it anyway? It's daylight out.
I thought it was something I was watching, so I just tried to put it to sleep. Until you guys woke up and pants were on backwards.
We should leave.
I'm trying to document this. Because in a small chat
Who the hell's going to get back to sleep now?
yeah, in a small chat that the Doubletree falls, I'll have footage on the great fall.
Yeah, it's not.
When we help with hotels. I'll have a fall. Great Doubletree. You get the early bird special.
Just went back to sleep.
I was just getting comfy. I was at an amazing part of my journey.
Is this all their guests in the hotel?
Now I know that I'll dream about when I go to sleep.
Take a picture of it.
Oh shit. I just have videos.